The canvas system is Unity's core UI component, allowing you to create and arrange UI elements in a scalable rectangular space. Depending on your needs, Canvas can be rendered in screen space overlay, screen space camera, or world space. This flexibility lets you control how your UI interacts with the camera and game world. You can use multiple canvases for layering and grouping UI elements, adjusting their sorting and rendering order to achieve the desired layout and appearance. Applying basic design principles is crucial for creating effective UIs in Unity. Balance, hierarchy, contrast, alignment, and consistency are key to making your UI intuitive and visually appealing. For instance, use contrast to make important elements like buttons stand out. Alignment helps create an orderly layout, while hierarchy directs the player's attention to critical information. Balance ensures even distribution of UI components, and consistency maintains a uniform style, preventing confusion and distractions. Optimizing UI performance is essential for maintaining a smooth user experience. Techniques such as using sprite maps to compress multiple UI images onto a single texture, bitmap fonts instead of dynamic fonts, and UI batching can significantly reduce the number of state changes and draw calls. These methods save CPU and GPU resources, ensuring that your game runs efficiently. Unity's Profiler tool can help identify performance bottlenecks and optimize your UI further. Testing the usability of your UI is vital to ensure it meets user expectations. Conduct usability tests by gathering user feedback through surveys, interviews, and analytics. Observe users as they interact with your game to identify any issues or areas for improvement. Automated and manual tools can test accessibility, compatibility, and functionality, detecting bugs or errors. This iterative process helps validate your UI design and enhances the overall user experience. Start by identifying your UI objectives and goals. Consider your target audience and the visual style that will appeal to them. Use tools like Adobe XD or Sketch to create a flow and layout for your UI. Planning helps you visualize the user journey and ensures that your design aligns with your project's goals. Clear objectives and a well-thought-out plan are the foundation of a successful UI. Unity offers a variety of UI elements, including canvas, text, image, button, and slider, to help you create your UI. Begin by setting up a canvas game object to establish your UI hierarchy. Choose the appropriate rendering mode based on your project's needs. Use layout elements like vertical layout groups, horizontal layout groups, and grid layout groups to organize components neatly. Ensure your UI adapts to different screen sizes and aspect ratios for a responsive design. Unity's UI system is versatile and can be used in various projects beyond gaming. It is extensively used in video games for menus, health bars, and score displays. Additionally, it is adaptable for virtual reality and augmented reality applications, educational apps, simulations, training tools, architectural visualization, product configurators, interactive storytelling, data visualization, mobile apps, and more. Unity's UI system offers numerous benefits, making it essential for interactive applications and game development. It enhances user experience by providing intuitive navigation and control. Visual feedback helps users understand their actions, while information display presents game statistics and objectives clearly. The system supports customization, accessibility, and scalability across different devices and platforms. Unity's UI tools enable rapid development and prototyping, localization, and monetization, ultimately increasing user engagement and improving the overall quality of your application.